volume of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder so how we find volume is equal to pi times radius squared times the height. Or it looks like this. V equals pi r squared h. So let's look at an example. Example 1. Find the volume of the cylinder with a diameter of 12 inches and a height of 10 inches. So to find our volume, we know it is pi r squared times the height. Now, when we do this, we notice that we're actually given the diameter of 12 inches. So in order to find the radius, we just need to go 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. Now we have our radius, so now we can find our volume. So our volume then is pi, and then we have 6 squared, and then times the height, which is going to be our 10 inches. So let's get our calculators out. And we can go pi times 6 times 6 times 10, and we get 1,130.97. And this is in inches cubed because now it's volume. Let's do another example. Find the volume of a hydraulic tank below. Dimensions are the inside dimensions of the tank. So we have a diameter of 70 millimeters and a height of 100 millimeters. So what we are going to have to do is we're going to have to find the radius, which is just 70 divided by 2, which is equal to 35, which we can always confirm with a calculator. Now to find our volume, pi r squared times our height. So we can go pi 35 squared times our height of 100. So we go pi times 35 times 35, because we have two of them, times 100. And we're going to get a very large number. So we're going to get 384,845.1. And now this is in millimeters, which explains why it's so large, because millimeters is a pretty small measurement. And this would be our solution.